Hello guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this game. Let me expand it. And the game is about guessing what kind of animal is hiding out here behind those big black blocks. And the child or person who plays this game has to guess who is it. And let me show you how to play this game. So let's expand. And for example, I have to read the question, where is the horse? And I think the horse might be out here. I pull it out and I see that's an elephant. And here are some features like maybe duck's feet or whatever, and horse is out here. And it can be lots of them, I don't know, 100. I've created a new project, and for this game, to make this game, you need a few characters, so let's go and find. Most of them are here on the animals, and let's go and find our animal, like duck. And an elephant. And my horse. And for example, a dog. So let's put them in whatever order we would like. And we need also to make a big square so we can cover all of them. Let's go to little kitten and do paint, and here we just need square, black one, and let's make a square and something like this. And we need 3 more, so I just do right click on a sprite and duplicate. Let me cover like this maybe, and I do duplicate again, and I cover like this, and I do duplicate, and I cover maybe like this. And to write a question, I go to little kitten, and here is the text tool. I just click. I can choose the font out here, and I write a question: where is that duck? Question mark. Let's move the sprite somewhere here. And so let's expand it. And you see that everything works fine, but I cannot move those blocks. So for example, the person who plays the game, he or she guesses where is the duck, so maybe person will move out here or here, but it doesn't move. So the problem is that our blocks are not draggable. Let's go to code and let's write when green flag clicked, and let's find set drag mode to draggable. And when I make it draggable, it means I can drag it. Let's drop it here, let's drop it here too, let's drop it here, and let's check. Everyone has a draggable, and let's play it. So where is the duck? And here you go. Very easy game to make, so just do it.